Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will solve average of arrays of numbers in C++. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. C++ programming language is one of the most very popular programming language in the world. It is used in many types of application like antivirus software, operating systems, databases, so on and so forth. Now here, so we have here sharp include IOStream for input output, and then there is a library file that is val array. So this val array will enables us to solve the array values that is being given much easier. So using namespace std and main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. By the way guys, this tip was given to me by my good friend and a fellow software engineer Tom. Thank you very much Tom for always supporting our channel. So int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. We have here begin val array int nums, and then I have enumerated values of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and then we have here new line, and then the title \t average of arrays of numbers in C++. This will be the title of our program. Two new line here, the result. So nums, that is an array that sum. It is a built-in function in our library val array, plus 0 divide by nums and the size. New line, and then end. New line also end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then new line, and then we close the main function. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in our website. Let us compile and run. Okay, to see the result. So average of arrays of numbers in C++, the result 5.5, end of program. We can do manual computation here to check if we have the right result. Let's say for example 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals 55. Divide by 10. Using Windows calculator, we have the same result, 5.5. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on average of arrays of numbers using C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.